What a nice day. I'm sorry, let me check. What the heck is that? Huh. Probably. Is that a walking head? Oh jeez, let me get my gun. My gun. Oh wait, that is my knife. Well, still is good. So, what? Yeah. Holy. Wait, where is my health? Oh. Wow. Okay, how in the world am I supposed to be this each thing? Oh yeah, a walking head. Wait, there's bosses? Huh? This is like, am I like stuck in a game or something? Let's figure it out. What the heck is this move? It doesn't even make any sense. Let me see that. Is it gonna, oh my gosh, this is pretty cool. Let's see if it will work. The MLG? How does it work? Oh my gosh. Is he gonna use his move? Oh, let's see. Oh my god, I think they were so heavy that, bro. Okay, I'm on low health, I might die. But fine. Is this really a kid's game? I think they have like bad spelling. Let me see what this is. I'm gonna farm a laser. Yeah! Okay.